Hi there! Today we make some fluffy and delicious air fryer banana bread muffins with chocolate chips and walnuts. These are just as easy to make as the oven ones, so let's get started. Start by mashing overripe bananas in a bowl using a whisk or a fork. To the bowl, add 1 egg and combine, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a cup of olive oil. You can also use any type of neutral cooking oil if you prefer. Give everything a good mix, then add in the sugar. I'm using half a cup of sugar here. Give everything a good mix and then proceed on to the next step. Next, in a separate bowl, combine all the dry ingredients. I'm using 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it all up and then add it to the wet ingredients that we had previously prepared. At this point, I always like to use my spatula to mix everything up, making sure to scrape the sides of the bowl. Next, add in your chopped walnuts. You can also use other nuts such as pecans or even cranberries. Add some chocolate chips and then combine. Once done, transfer the batter to muffin forms. Place this inside your air fryer and air fry at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, so 160 degrees Celsius, for 17 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Note that air fryer muffins tend to brown quicker than the oven ones, so it's important to do the toothpick test and adjust the time accordingly if necessary. Hope you enjoyed this air fryer banana bread muffins recipe. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. I am glad you stopped by and see you in the next video.